Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and to the garden. Today's video we are going to be doing a build with this waterflow box here, waterfall box. Now with this one guys, you may have seen our recent product review of this. Great little bit of kit. This is our wired kit. Now what we're going to be doing guys is I'll just show you where we're going to be putting this. And sorry about all the mess back here guys, as always, we're still sort of in the middle of projects. But what I'm thinking guys is just in this little divot here. So if I point right there, and now if you take a look at the aspect of this, now if we look this way, it's going to be facing straight down towards the kitchen in the house. So you should see this sort of when you walk in. Also guys, what it will mean is when you're in this bar area here, you'll have your own kind of little private kind of waterfall right here. As if you take a look around guys, the waterfall from this one is on view from that seating area. That particular one just there, again you will see the end in the bottom of that flow, but again you won't see the full kind of waterfall area there. And of course guys, looking back this way, again you don't see the falls on that. So it's all kind of an aspect ratio thing and trying to kind of give us a view of water from sort of any angle in the garden here. What we'll do is start digging that in and show you the kind of look of that initially. So just to show you the initial placement, you can see we've got the waterfall box here. And of course I will need to dig that in and level it. At the moment it is giving us approximately sort of 12 to 18 inches lift. I'd like to set that down so it's more in the kind of 6-inch lift into this pond, which will then give us one of the larger waterfalls of this project here. What I'm going to be doing guys as well as we dig this in, I'll just kind of show you how we get that positioned correctly. Now again with the placement, you can just see at the moment we've got the waterfall shooting sort of straight out that way. I will probably look to angle the box more like that. Again giving us more of a direct angle that way. So you can just see here if I come to the side, again this is where you're going to get that lovely water feature looking down here as well. So just to show you where we're at the moment, we've removed one of the small rocks underneath. We've dug in the overflow box a little bit further down. I don't think I'm going to go too low because I would like a quite impressive falls on this one. And as you can see in the back here guys, I've got this within my liner here. So this is the excess liner from the top pond. I'm going to keep it all within the liner where the box is. The only thing that will probably go outside the liner is going to be the hosing, which I've had to extend here. But with that said, it seems pretty good at the moment. I've been checking it for leaks and everything and seems okay. Of course, we're going to reseal those, make sure it's all kind of well sealed before we kind of tuck it all in. But yeah, just to show you that here, what I'll do is get this kind of leveled and then we'll do a little test run. So just to show you the first test run here guys, you can just see nice little ribbon of flow. It has sped up the stream quite a bit, so I have turned down the pump. You know, it's quite a powerful pump. Let me just come around to the side and show you the front of the stream now. Which is really put on some extra flow. I think it looks quite good on here. If you come down now, you can just see lots of lovely flow up there and into the stream area. Again, nice amount of flow. What I'm going to be doing guys is to slowly build up some work around the box itself, try and get that sort of hidden in with rock and things, and just show you where we get to. So you can see here now, having a look off the back, you can just see the falls coming out. Now what I'll do is just come over closer to show you that here. Now unfortunately when I was filming the part of the build, it did not record properly. So I do apologize guys, but just coming a little closer. And you can just see we've got a nice kind of ribbon coming off that there. I've tried to hide it in this brick rock work as well. We used a bit of slate, but what I've done is to kind of make it more of a jagged edge, so it gives it a little bit of more of an uneven flow, hopefully giving us a more natural look overall. But you can just see here guys now, from the sort of bar area, you do get, you know, a nice almost little private waterfall here. Going into the stream seems to be holding well. As you can see looking down the stream guys, you've got some nice flow. So I think, you know, and this is again guys on around about sort of 3/4 power on this pump. So you know, it could be a little bit more, but I quite like the flow. I think if you have too much flow, it's going to look a bit exaggerated on that side, and even this could be somewhat exaggerated. But what we'll do is just take a step back from the other side of the pond just so you can see that there as well. So looking from this angle guys, again got some nice flow off the bottom waterfall here now. Again, I think that's boosted it by about 3 or 4 times what it was previously. I don't have the pump that was there turned on at the moment. That does increase the flow into the stream, but I'll use that as like a surface skimmer if I need to here as well. But just as we come up here, guys, let's get you a nice close view. And if we sit like that, you can just see now quite a decent amount of flow. Again, from this angle, you know, it does kind of give us a nice sort of water blade aspect to it. So taking a step back now, and you can just see over here as we kind of walk up to the feature, we do have a nice view of the falls coming down. Again, you know, from these different angles, guys, it kind of gives us a different view. But with that said, guys, yeah, a lot more work to do on that back area. I'm going to be sort of trying to kind of blend it into the rest of this project here and make it as natural looking as possible. At the moment, it does just look like a kind of bit of stacked stones there, but again, guys, that's kind of the first step in this process. But with that said, guys, of course, thanks for watching. If you haven't checked out the friends of the channel, certainly make sure to do so. I know a few of the guys have also put out some recent videos, so certainly make sure you go check those out as well. But with that said, of course, if you're not subscribed, certainly join our amazing community and follow along with the projects. With that said, of course, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.